Yeah, ready?
Uh-huh, I got it.
Okay.
Up goes the lantern.
Goes.
Oh, let's go in the opposite direction.
No, don't go that way. Go up, go up, go up, go up. Gotta get past
That was
tree.
supposed to be mine.
I think
Whose
yeah,
is
that's,
that?
That's good. That's good.
Here, Evan, get Allie's.
That's kind of cool. It's going straight up.
Yeah, that is cool.
There's Allie's.
We're gonna get a good look at that
All
one.
right, Evelyn, you ready?
Uh-huh.
Here we go.
Get it?
Wow, that is so cool.
It may come right back down on us.
Who's it gonna burn?
That's
Who's it gonna burn?
Not me, I already had enough. Okay, goodbye.
Let's.
Get it off now.
Yeah, cool. Here,
Let go for a second and see if it goes up. Nope, not yet.
Feel it falling yet?
Feeling it tugging up? Let go for a second, gently.
Yeah, they ended up the same place.
Okay, see what it does. Go ahead, let go. Push it up.
No, not that way. Oh,
Yeah,
it hit the tree. Never. Oh, no.
Yeah, that's on a good path.